Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to share a Google Drive link in the easiest way. When you are inside your Google Drive account, you will see all of your files and folders. To start sharing, simply hover your mouse over the file or folder that you want to share. When you do this, you will see a few small icons appear on the right side of the file name. One of these icons is the Share button. Click on this button and a new window will open. In this sharing window, you will see two main options. The first option is to share the file directly by adding the person's email address in the search box. You can type the email of the person you want to share with and then click Send. This will send an invitation directly to their email so they can open the file. The second option is to create a link that you can copy and share with anyone you choose. At the bottom of the window, you will see the option called Copy Link. Click on that. The link will now be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere else. Thanks for watching.